Now see the notation in which a matrix is denoted. As I mentioned earlier, a matrix is always denoted by a capital letter, and the elements are written this way. It is denoted, the notation for it is this: small a, I, j, the box bracket, and order m by n, where I is the row to which the element belongs, j is the column to which the element belongs, m by n is the order. For example, if you have a matrix of this way, then it can be compared to, this is A, first row, first column, then first row, second column, first row, third column, then comes second row, first column, second row, second column, second row, third column, right? It can be compared to this matrix in the form of A, I, J. I is the row. So this is the first row. You see 1, 1, 1, the suffix. And the second one is the column. So first column, second column, third column. Again, for the second row, 2, 2 and 2. Second row. The column is the first column, second column, third column. And the order of the matrix is, there are 2 rows, 3 columns. Therefore 2 by 3. This is 2 by 3. This is how we denote a matrix. A matrix is denoted in this manner, in which what is A11, 2, A12, 3, A13, 5. I'll write it down here. A11 is 2, A12 is 3, this is 5, this is -2, this is 5, and this is, okay, this is equal to, and A23 is -5. This is how it is denoted in general. Let us see some types of matrices. A row matrix consists of a single row. The number of columns could be as many as you want, you can write, but there has to be only one row. If there is only one row of a matrix, it is called a row matrix. The order of this matrix would be 1 by 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So order would be 1 by 4. Column matrix consists of a single column as A, B, C. And this is only one column. Number of rows, 3. Column, 1. Hence it is called a column matrix. Square matrix, by its name, a matrix A is called a square matrix if the number of rows is equal to the number of columns in it. 0, -1, 1, 2. Then such a matrix is called a square matrix, and the order of this matrix, 2 rows, 2 columns, 2 by 2. A matrix of order, suppose it has only the element 5. 1 row, 1 column, hence it is a matrix of order 1 by 1. Square matrix of order 1 by 1. Alright? Then null or zero matrix. By the very name itself, all the elements of the matrix should be 0. If all the elements are 0, it is called a null matrix. Order 2 by 3. Identity or unit matrix is denoted by I. And identity or unit matrix is a square matrix. Alright? This is a square matrix in which, suppose I take it this way, 1, 0, 0, 1. Then it is called an identity matrix, in which this is called from the left corner to the, from this position, first position here, from the left to the right, this way, the diagonal, starting from this end, is called the identity matrix. This has to be 1 and the other element should be 0. Then it is called an identity or unit matrix. In the question, if simply I is mentioned, it means you have to take an identity matrix of the order of which the other matrices are. Suppose it is the other matrices are of order 3 by 3, then you will have to take an identity matrix as 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Now equal matrices. Two matrices are said to be equal. For example, this one equals say 1 and 2. These matrices are equal if and only if x is equal to 1 and y is equal to x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 2. Two matrices are equal if they have the same order. This is 2 by 1, this is also 2 by 1. So they have the same order. And the elements also must be the same. Only if x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 2. Then the matrices are said to be equal. Of these, once again, row matrix consists of a single row, column matrix, single column, square matrix, number of rows is equal to number of columns, zero matrix, all the elements 0, identity or unit matrix, the principal diagonal or the leading diagonal elements 1, the rest of the elements 0, is a square matrix, and matrices are said to be equal if they have the same order and if the elements are the corresponding elements are the same. Okay, so up to here with this we can start the first exercise, but please go through the theory part of it and see, and you, if possible, write it down in your notebook before we start the exercise. Thank you.